Accessing iCloud on an Android phone can be a bit tricky, but it is possible with the right steps. To start, you need to understand that iCloud is a cloud storage service provided by Apple, and it is primarily designed for Apple devices. However, Apple provides a website that allows you to access your iCloud account from any device, including Android phones. First, open the internet browser on your Android phone, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Type the URL iCloud.com in the address bar and press enter. This will take you to the iCloud website, where you can sign in with your Apple ID and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Apple ID, you will receive a verification code on one of your Apple devices. Enter this code to verify your identity and access your iCloud account. Once you are signed in, you can access your iCloud data, including your contacts, calendar, and photos. You can also use the iCloud website to find your iPhone or iPad if it is lost or stolen, and to remotely erase its data if necessary. To access your iCloud data on your Android phone, you can also download the iCloud app from the Google Play Store. This app allows you to access your iCloud photos, contacts, and calendar, and to share files with others. It is also important to note that you can access your iCloud email on your Android phone using the Email app. Simply add your iCloud email account to the Email app, and you will be able to send and receive emails using your iCloud email address. To do this, go to the Settings menu on your Android phone, select Accounts, and then select Add Account. Choose the option to add an email account, and then enter your iCloud email address and password. In conclusion, accessing iCloud on an Android phone is possible by using the iCloud website or by downloading the iCloud app from the Google Play Store. By following these steps, you can access your iCloud data, including your contacts, calendar, and photos, and stay connected with your Apple devices. Remember to always use a secure internet connection when accessing your iCloud account, and to keep your Apple ID and password confidential to protect your data.